In this renovation, a tired mid-1990s home has been transformed into a refined modern country residence set in park-like surroundings. While the original home had good bones, it lacked natural light, spatial flow, and a contemporary presence. The goal was to modernise the form while respecting its architectural origins. The front facade was extended, creating a more three-dimensional effect, new balcony spaces for second-storey bedrooms, and covered decking below. A side wing extension also allowed for a more expansive kitchen, dining, and living area. Inside, the design prioritises warmth, comfort, and calm. Large windows in the central living spaces flood the home with natural light, highlighting rich timber floors and subtle country finishes. Raked timber ceilings and level changes add a sense of volume, flow, and identity to each space. Materials and detailing continue seamlessly to the outdoor areas where sheltered dining spaces, an outdoor fire, a pool and pool house, and a private courtyard off the games room provide the perfect setting for relaxed entertaining and family connection. The TIDA judges praise the contemporary country aesthetic and restrained palette, creating a quiet and relaxed refuge from the bustle of daily life. Congratulations to David Chilton of Chilton and Mayne, winner of the 2025 TIDA New Zealand Renovation of the Year.